when you realize, wait, this is not big love I'm asking for. This is just basic. And still, it feels hard to get. That moment, it will wake you up. Hi, I'm Nima. Welcome to my channel. I help married women feel like themselves again without losing their peace. So, this is how it usually goes. A woman talks at night. You talk. Calm, no fighting, just asking something simple like, can we have one weekend in a month just for us and the kids? Not every day, not every week, just one weekend, simple. She sleeps thinking, okay, maybe this time he had me. Morning, weekend, that small hope is there. Maybe today is different. We'll spend time together. The next thing, you hear the car keys. You turn. Your husband is dressed, shoes on, ready to go. Now your brain is like, wait, what about yesterday? You try to stay calm. Are you going out? He answers, yes. Now you follow him a little, barefoot, not even planned. Your body just moves. And behind you, your child is holding your dress like, mommy, wait. And you're there like, hey, hold on. Half outside, half inside. Tom and Jerry situation now. Then you just stop. You stop because now it's not even funny. That's when it hits. Not loud. Just You look at yourself, barefoot, chasing, hoping, and something inside you says, what am I doing? Let me ask you something. Have you ever asked for something small, but it felt like too much? If you have, just type basic in the comments. Because now you see it clearly. This is not about big love. This is about time, presence, and connection. Watching a movie, sitting together, just being close. Basic, but somehow you have been chasing for it. Adjusting, keeping quiet, trying not to be too much, and slowly you shrink. That moment changes you. Not with noise, but inside. You stop chasing, you stop begging, and you start asking yourself, is marriage supposed to feel like this? And that's where choosing yourself begins. And honestly, this kind of feeling is hard to explain. You just feel it. That's why I put it into words in my ebook. Is marriage supposed to feel like this? Because many women are living this, but don't even know how to say it. I will leave the link to my book below if you need it. And if this felt a little too real, subscribe, because here we talk about the things simply and honestly. And we are coming back to ourselves step by step.